right, this is the first waterfall of the day. There's a much bigger one coming, but you have to earn it and hike up that ladder you see over there. The real Colombia. This is what I came for. Mountains, streams, waterfalls, yeah, and mountains. Woo! Now this is the Cascada. What a waterfall. The only thing I can compare to this would be Big Bradley waterfall back home, and well, this is something on a whole nother scale, but beautiful in all the same ways. Colombia, you should really come check it out. It's wonderful, isn't it? Oh, my guy just wants to giggle for now. Anyway, it's really great. Yeah, deep, deep, deep. And those were little words for a hillbilly. I still got tongue-tied. Anyway, you should really come see it.
Acá por donde vamos tenemos la calle real de Barichara, es la calle más antigua que tiene el municipio.
Oh, the obligatory Moto-Taxi ride.
En el Mirador.
This tree is over 200 years old. Ooh. I messed it up. Anyway, I just ate an ant again, and I didn't put it on the video, but it was really tasty.
No hay contaminación visual, no hay costas de energía, ni cables de electricidad así como en la ciudad.
The most famous street in town, especially on Google. So here's some of the building techniques. Making Adobe bricks, rammed earth, and more like how the indigenous people build theirs, which turns out kind of like Adobe, but it's not rammed. As you can see here. Really cool place. You should come here. They're very entertaining sales pitch too. They have lots of really cool souvenirs for those of you who like to collect things or have room in your luggage for such. What a view. Standing on the edge of the cliff. Look at that. It's awesome.
Por lo que dice allá en el Museo Arqueológico, por eso se pueden ver ondulaciones también en las montañas al llegar al nivel del mar. Es conocida como la Serra.